Hello friends, in today's podcast we are going to discuss about the chips in your credit card, ATM card or debit card. These chips in your cards work and what are their positive points and what are their negative points and how you can avoid any fraud happen to you with these chips or these cards. So let's start it. So first we know that these chips in your cards, that is credit card, debit card or ATM card, is the RFID chip. So RFID stands for radio frequency identification. It is a technology that uses radio waves to identify and track objects or pupils through tags and readers. RFID tag contains information that can be read remotely by RFID readers, allowing for remote data collection and tracking. It is used in various applications such as inventory management, access control, supply chain tracking in your ATM cards, debit cards, credit cards. And now we know and we discuss about the chips, RFID chips in ATM card, debit card or credit cards. So RFID technology is used in credit cards, ATM cards to enable contactless payments. So that is the plus point of the RFID in your ATM card or debit card, because it make you to do transactions contactlessly, because RFID is read by the RFID reader, so you don't have to touch or you don't have to contact any device, anything. So it will help to spread of the diseases like corona, because it is contactless process. These cards have small RFID chips embedded in them which can transmit data wirelessly to a card reader when placed close enough. This allows for quick and convenient transaction without the need of to insert the card into a card reader or enter a PIN. However, due to security concerns, many RFID-enabled credit card ATM cards also come with additional security features, such as requiring the card to be held within a certain distance of the reader to function. This helps prevent unauthorized access for someone trying to read the card information without your knowledge. So here is the hack, because some pupils may use fraud with you or may do fraud with you due to RFIDs. So they bring their RFID reader near your card, or when you are in crowd they pass near you and their RFID reader the data in your card and make the transactions. For simple example, when you visit a petrol pump or any shop, so you ask him to put some petrol in your vehicle, and when you put some petrol in your vehicle and you have to make transactions of some bucks or some money, so what you do, you bring your card from your pocket and touch it with the RFID reader or the payment machine, and as soon as you touch it, the transaction already happened and no need to do enter any PIN or any password. So this is the positive points of RFID, but it's can be misused, because if you lost your card or someone intentionally touch your card with his RFID reader, so transaction happen, and there is many cases when the pupils are in the crowd, so when see their mobile, there already a transactions happened, because the RFID reader reads the data in their card and make transactions. So to avoid this, you can use the some blockers or some card holders which stop the RFID reading. So I provide the link of that card holders which block the RFID reading to avoid any fraud with you in the description of this podcast. Now continue. So it's enough nothing that there have been concern about the security of RFID enabled cards, as there is a potential for unauthorized scanning and data theft if if proper security measures aren't in place. As a result, card issuers often employ encryption or other security protocols to protect the information stored on the RFID chip. If you have an RFID enabled card or ATM card, it's good idea to familiarize yourself with the security features and guidelines provided by the card reader to ensure safe uses. And I always suggest the pupils who have the card with RFID, means the card with contactless payments, to use the RFID stopping card holders. So you have always put your cards in the RFID blocking card holders, so no one can read your card without your permission. So I will provide the link of that in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. Stay safe, stay secure.